Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will continue HTML5 new input attributes. In the last tutorial, we have seen autocomplete and autofocus attributes. In this tutorial, I will tell you what is form attribute and how we can use it. Open Notepad++, remove this code and write form element. In form element, write one input text box. And that type will be text. And write one text box outside the form element. That type will be email. If we have two forms in one page, and both are using email text box, so we don't need to write twice. Copy the above text box and paste it below. So what is the logic? I will give ID to both form F1 and bottom form ID will be ID2 F2. So we have two forms in one page and both are using email text box. That is common, so we don't need to write twice. We will write text box outside the form and use in both form element. First of all, we have to define ID for every form. Different ID, not the same. First form is ID F1 and second form have ID F2. So now in outside text box we will use form attribute that will have form IDs F1 space F2. So this is the way in which we can use form attribute. You can see email text box is outside from the form, but still it is the part of form because we have defined form attribute. We can also specify more than one form in form attribute by putting space between them. The next attribute is form action. Form action defines the URL in which you will redirect the page to another. It overrides the action attribute of form. It is used with submit and image button. Now we don't need to write action attribute in HTML5. Write submit button and in which you have to define form action. In formaction attribute, you will tell the submit button where the page will be redirect after submitting. For example, I will say the page will be redirect test2.html. So this is the form action attribute, and you can use it in submit and image type. The next attribute is formnctype. It defines how the form data should be encoded when submitted. It is used only for forms with method post. It overrides the enctype attribute in form element, and it is used for both type submit and image. First of all, you have to give method post in form element. After that, you will use formnctype in submit text box. For example, formnctype is multi-part form data. So like this, you can encrypt your form data using formnctype attribute. Thanks for watching. We will continue the other attributes in the next tutorial.